Hi everyone, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and if you have followed my channel for any length of time, then you know that I am all about making magical vacations, but I also like to make magic at home, and that is what today's video is about. We're going to do a fun, spooky season DIY project where we're going to try to dupe a Pottery Barn decoration that I found online. So stick around for a little bit of staycation fun. I already have my whole house, including my mantle, decorated for fall, but I'm kind of leaning into the Thanksgiving aesthetic, and I wanted to do something a little bit spookier since it's almost Halloween. So I found these cute light-up ghosts on Pottery Barn's website, but I was not about to pay $150 for them, so I decided to recreate them for much less. I went to Walmart and grabbed a sheet set, 2 white styrofoam half spheres, some patch material, 2 tomato cages, and a DIY Halloween garland kit. And then I ran in my bedroom and grabbed 2 mini micro light sets I already had. So initially when I went to Walmart, I got twin size sheets, and when we got those home, we found that they were not going to be anywhere near big enough to fit over the tomato cages. So we went back and we got queen size. We think that these are going to work a whole lot better. We also went and got these little $1 black and gold pumpkins for the ghost to hold. We think that's going to be really cute. We started off by unwrapping the queen sheet set that we got from Walmart. We're going to use both the flat sheet and the fitted sheet for this project, and it works. You just have to be careful to tuck the edges up underneath so you can't see the difference. Then we took our micro lights and we twisted them from the bottom to the top, and then we just secured them to the top by twisting them around the wire, keeping the battery pack at the bottom for easy access. Then we cut the plastic wrap off of our styrofoam half spheres. You're definitely going to need to vacuum after you do this because the stuff went everywhere. Next, we pinched together the top of the tomato cages and slid the styrofoam half spheres on top to be the top of the ghost head. You want to try to get them as equal in height as possible if you're going to stand them opposite each other. And then we put some fresh batteries in our micro lights and decided which of the mini light functions we wanted to use for this project. You could definitely use any color micro lights that you want, but I'm partial to the classic white for this. Next, we position the sheets over the top of the tomato cage, and you definitely have to do a little bit of adjusting to make sure that the fabric is as evenly distributed as possible. Once I was satisfied with the way it looked on both ghosts, I got out my handy steamer and I steamed out a lot of the wrinkles.
Is it a pirate ghost?
Yeah.
It's like arg.
Like me.
So I got this patch material and I'm going to use my scissors to cut it into oval shapes to be the ghost's eyes. The great thing about this part of the project is that the ghost's eyes do not have to be identical. So as long as they're roughly the same shape and roughly the same size, it's going to look absolutely fine. Next, I used my hot glue gun to attach the eyes to the ghost. And the good thing about this is if you happen to place one in a spot that you don't like, you can wait until the glue dries, peel it off, and try again. I know that because I did it. So don't worry if they're not perfect the first time, you do get a do-over for this. Lastly, I used my hot glue gun to attach a little pumpkin to the material to make it look like the ghost was holding it. I think that this just gives it a really cute, unique look. Here are the completed ghosts. They turned out so stinking cute, and I cannot wait to do the rest of the mantle now. We are going to put together a fun do-it-yourself Halloween kind of garland to go along with my little potions up here that I got at the Target dollar spot a few years ago. So we're going to make the whole mantle a little bit more spooky. This garland was just a little kit that I picked up at Walmart for around $2, and it's little felt characters that have different facial features that you can attach by removing the stickers. It's a really fun craft for parents and kids to do together. It took us about 5 to 10 minutes to complete, and it turned out really cute. I don't know how many years it'll last us, but it's okay. We had fun doing it. Here's a look at the completed garland, and I just attached it to the mantle with some Scotch tape. And here is a look at the completed project. I am so happy with the way that this turned out. I love the ghost in particular, and materials for this project only cost me around $50, which is a huge savings compared to the $150 per ghost I would have paid on Pottery Barn's website. Let me know if you enjoyed this video or if you're planning on trying this in the comments. Again, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thanks for watching.